Those look terrifying.
I know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Are you supposed to cut the asparagus in half?
No.
Oh,
I think it's just really thick from the bacon.
Okay.
I'm sure it'll still taste good. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tubby Time. Today I will be making asparagus wrapped in bacon, wrapped in crescent rolls. This is going to be our side to go with dinner. I found this recipe on Pinterest and we'll see how it goes. Where's the bacon? Fatty?
What?
Where's the bacon?
The bacon?
Yeah, the bacon. As in bacon.
Probably in the freezer.
I needed it out.
For what?
My recipe?
So why don't you take it out?
It's your job.
Are we doing this again? We're really doing this again.
That's your fault.
You didn't ask me to take the bacon out.
Yes, I did.
No, you said I need bacon for the recipe. That doesn't tell me to take the bacon out.
Yes, it does.
You've got to be kidding.
I need
Are you
bacon.
at least gonna? God damn it.
Can't you just defrost it real quick?
Let me guess. You need me to cook it too.
Yes.
Because it doesn't have sugar in it. She doesn't know how to cook it.
I do baking. Crescent rolls
Whatever.
is a pastry. It entails baking. Kind of.
You've got to be kidding me. Seriously. All right. Bacon. Pretty simple to cook. Got one package here. I don't know how much she needs. Apparently she doesn't either, so I'm just going to throw it on. Now, you could cook the bacon in your oven for like, I don't know, 20 minutes at like 400. From what she tells me, the goal here is we want to get the bacon pliable. So we don't want to actually cook it so it's crispy. We want to wrap it in something, whatever she's wrapping it in. So I use a gloved hand, and I just take it off. Oh, it's hot. So I want to cook it like a medium heat. Come on. There we go. Good boy. I'm just going to let it take its time. Like I said, I don't want it to get too hot. I only have 2 burners on. I'm going to be doing steak tonight. If you haven't checked that video out, please do. I'll put a link. So I'm just spreading it out here. And this is what's nice about the flat top is you can cook bacon, and for crispy bacon, it's great, but for chewy bacon, works just as well. And actually, with a gloved hand here, it's very easy to move your hand around the grill because you don't really feel it. And with that side being off where I put the bacon, it's not crisping down as I'm trying to place it. This is where the grease trap really comes in handy and why I positioned. If you didn't notice, I took the flat top and positioned it over here and put the smoker there because this actually drains a little better on this side. This takes a second, but not bad. Sweet. That's just going to render down. We'll have nice, disgusting bacon in a second. Almost forgot my pepper. Why not throw pepper on bacon, you know? Lovely. That's some pretty good color. That's what we're looking for. So these are about ready to flip. You don't have to go crazy because we want them to be pliable. Now that they're all flipped, I'm going to season the other side with some pepper. Not as much as the first side. And these are pretty much near done. I just want to mop up some of this. I mean, that's very pliable. And finishing that off in the oven is going to be great. I'm just going to leave that on there for a second. It's still pliable as hell, but it's getting crispy. These things work absolute magic. All right, that's looking pretty good. I don't want to overdo it. I just got my baking pan here. Get some of that grease off. I want some of the grease to soak into the thing. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Let's go see Dumbass.
Now that the bacon has been cooked, I'm just gonna rinse these off and then cut the ends off of them. Ooh. That one's a little, that one's slimy. We're not gonna use that one. I don't know how much to cut off. I'm just gonna go by looks. The ends don't look too bad though, but I know like the ends can sometimes be too crunchy or chewy, I don't know. That one's really thick.
Damn, girl!
Do you know how much of the ends you cut off for asparagus? That one was gross. That one just had like splits in it.
Anything, can you?
I've got it. I don't need your help.
Really? Because it looks like you're fucking it up.
Is this counts as one?
Sure. Why not? You just cut to the white.
You cut to the white. There's no white. That looks good. They're actually all about the same height. Oh, except for this one. I should chop this one down some more. Yeah, that's good. So now I'm gonna get my wash together. It's just an egg wash.
If you don't have a kitchen with warming trays, you should get one because it's pretty sweet. Got my nicely cooked bacon in there.
Thank you. What do I do now? I need something. Oh, a bowl. Asparagus goes in the bowl. Tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to guesstimate because it's not a cake. And it doesn't have to be exact. Now I'm gonna add some pepper. Josh likes a lot of pepper. So I'll do a decent amount. And we're gonna add some salt. I guess I'll just mix it around with my hands. Looks good. Just gonna set this off to the side. And now I need my crescent rolls. I got it. Oh, I needed to flour the surface. Now I'm going to, I guess I'll cut on the dotted lines where the crescent rolls are. Are you actually able to rip them apart? Oh, you can. No, I'm still gonna cut them. Okay, we have the crescent rolls. Now we're gonna use the little egg wash. I am getting the countertop very messy right now, but whatever, I'll just clean it up after. All right, that looks good. I'm gonna take a break and just put the oven on to 425. So we're gonna take the bacon, just lay it on the crescent roll, the crescent dough. So there's only one, that only has one piece of bacon, but that's fine. Now we are going to add the asparagus. We'll just keep it in the middle. I wonder how this is going to turn out. Thank you.
Those look terrifying.
I know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Are you supposed to cut the asparagus in half?
No.
Oh,
I think it's just really thick from the bacon.
Okay.
I'm sure it'll still taste good.
What's that cheese?
Oh! I have
Why are you so dumb?
I have the Parmesan right there. Oops.
Oh my god, this is a mess.
I forgot.
You were such a mess.
Now we're gonna put Parmesan on them. Okay. Now we're gonna roll them up. I don't think they're all gonna fit on this tray. That looks okay, right? And now we're just gonna finish it off with a little bit more egg wash. These don't look the prettiest, but I'm sure they'll taste great. Are you not? Stop!
Why do I let you live here?
You know what? I have a good feeling about this.
Yeah.
I do. I feel like they're gonna be really delectable.
With our year-old steak.
Now we can pop them in the oven, and they're supposed to cook for 12 minutes. They don't look the prettiest, but There's bacon in them, so.
There's bacon, yeah. I mean, they are what they are.
Yeah. They were in the oven for about 15 minutes at 425. You ready?
No.
Which one do you want to try?
I'm checking. This middle one looks like a snack. Let's try that one.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Oh Lord.
Oh Lord. So I noticed on the bottom here, it's a little
crispy.
It's not burnt.
It's not
just
too bad.
Ooh, look
What?
at the pepper in there.
I know.
Put that in there.
That was
My
mean.
God. Wow.
Okay.
All right, you do the honors. Get a piece of bacon though.
Mm. Oh.
Oh God, it's so crispy.
I got a bit of the cheese in there too. I like it. What do you think?
To me, it feels unnecessary.
What?
It's not your cooking. It's like a recipe that doesn't need to exist. I mean, it's good, but I don't know. Maybe I didn't get enough cheese. Maybe that was it. Let's try that.
Cheese right there. Oh my goodness.
I mean, it's good. It's just weird. Like, I feel like I almost feel like we could make this without the asparagus, and it'd be just like 10 times better, you know? Because bacon and cheese and croissants, I love it. Like I said, I just think the asparagus is it's like someone was like, how do we make asparagus better? Oh, let's put it in a croissant with bacon and cheese. Like, I like asparagus just separate. I love asparagus. Makes your pee smell.
Yeah, that was good. Like, comment, subscribe. Watch our next episode. Okay.
She's so motivated. And until next time, stay tubby.